Hello friend, welcome to Remote Sensing Sathi. Today I will show how to install Snap from its setup. Okay, at first open the setup. This is Snap setup. Right click on Snap setup and select Run as administrator. Run this setup and allow this application. Click on Yes. Then click on Next button. I accept the agree. This is the license agreement. You can read also. Okay, select Next. Snap user data. Shall the installer try to remove this direction? Yes. Try delete all snap data user. Delete only snap internal configuration data. I can select just the second option. Okay, then click on Next. This is the destination file where you want to keep this. I select Next. This is select component. What component you want to be allowed? This is the component allocation. Select Next. What you give the name? This is the name. Select Next. This is Python configuration. If you have any Python configuration, you can give this by select this and browse that Python file. Okay, I have no Python configuration, so I can select Next button. So it will run for extracting file, installing. Click on Next. After the run, finish the process. Okay, it will installed in your system, then it is automatically opened in your system. First time it takes some time to be opening. This is Snap Surface. This is the Snap application. Applying this process, you can install Snap in your desktop. Okay, this is the Snap. You can click just and open. Thank you for watching video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you did not like, click on the dislike button. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.